So to submit your 3D print, we will get to our online submission form. If you go to erielibrary.org and click on Idea Lab, and then click on the submission form link, you're then brought to this screen. So here you'll put in your name, your library card number, and your email address, which is how we'll let you know when your 3D print is done. You'll get an automated email. You can add your phone number if you'd like, but it's not needed. And then we will attach the 3MF file that we had. So we'll select, and mine was in downloads, and it was the super cool Fox print. And then we'll go ahead and click upload. And now it is uploaded, and then put what the estimated print time was. So ours was 4 minutes and 23, or 4 hours and 23 minutes. And then extruder 1 filament. So we chose that we wanted it to be PLA plastic, but now we also get to pick what color it is. And we can see we can select from all the different colors, and we can also see for some of the nicer colors and nicer filament, the price goes from 10 to 15 cents a gram. So be aware of what you're picking when you are picking your color. I'll go ahead and click the Pro Silky Copper that our examples were in. And then extruder 2, you can leave blank if you're printing a model that doesn't need any support, or if you selected support to also come from extruder 1 and be in your plastic. But in this case, we selected support to be coming from extruder 2, and we know that that is 25 cents per gram. And once we have everything put in, we go ahead and click submit, and our 3D print has been added to the print queue. It is all done, and staff will take care of it from here.